Hi, Tim Biggam back again this week for Traders Exclusive in chilly Chicago. The market certainly not chilly, although not as warm or as hot as it used to be. Looking like, the S&P 500 kind of leveling off right around this kind of 2045 level back and forth. Be interesting to see, if we can break out to new highs. Market did open a lot lower this morning based on weakness out of China, Japan, Europe, but given consumer confidence, beating expectations here, S&P futures are back basically to unchanged. So, U.S. stocks looking like the cleanest shirt, in the world here, although the rest of the world getting pretty dirty, and compared to high yield credit starting to really get hit pretty hard here. You can look at the small cap stocks negative for the year. So these divergences that we are starting to see with, U.S. mega cap stocks, all making new highs, it seems like day after day, and everything else kind of trending down lower and lower. At some point, I think, will be dealt with, but until that time, I think, enjoy the ride. I'm cautiously bearish up here, selling out of the money call spreads on the indices, looking on the SPYs, the 207 strike, selling that, buying the 209 strike, just positioning that this market probably won't rip roar to the upside. We're already trading at 15 times 2016's earnings, which usually get tooled down. So, 15 times used to be a pretty, decent multiple here. In this world with interest rates so low, we're approaching almost 20 times, reported earnings, which in the past has signaled a big caution flag here. So, valuations keep heading higher. Price to sales really the highest they've ever been at, almost 1.8 times. You can look at a stock like Alibaba, trading at some 45 times revenue. So, it doesn't matter till it matters. But again, I think with the VIX at the levels they're at, buying some put protection here does make a little sense. But, I think the way this market is trading, it just keeps going higher and higher. So you have to respect that as well. Respect the chart. From a valuation standpoint, getting pretty rich. So that's the trade-off. Do you jump in before or you wait for the market to tell you? I'm kind of more on the sidelines here, waiting for the market to tell me which way it wants to head. So until next week, this is Tim Biggam. Stay warm and keep those position sizes in place and those stops going. Take care.